Hi, in this lesson, we will learn how to use three different modes in Cursor: Ask mode, Plan mode, and Agent mode. We will start with Ask mode, which allows you to chat with your codebase without modifying files. Once we have an empty project, let's switch back to Agents mode and let's start exploring the agent window itself and what we have here. So first thing we need to understand is different modes which are available in the cursor agent. When you select the mode and then you ask some command here, some prompt here, depending on which mode you have turned on, you will have different outcomes. So it's important to understand what's the difference and when to use each mode. Let's start with the simple one, ask mode. The key feature of Ask mode is that it doesn't touch the code base itself. So it doesn't have any tools to interact with code files to modify them. It has tools to read files. So the best way to use Ask mode is to use it for code understanding and code analysis when you need to ask specific questions about how this works, how can I run this project. It still can suggest how you can modify the code. If you ask it to change landing page text to hello world, you can see that this mode still generates div, but it is not applied automatically to our code. But there is a button here applied to page.tsx. So if you want, you can manually apply this code for each file. You see the difference that it removed this line, it added hello world, and it removed this text. So if you're happy with these changes, you can click keep file, and then you can go to your browser and see hello world here.